Welcome to the cutting edge of performance with the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM 32GB kit. This memory set pushes the limits of your system, delivering even faster frequencies, greater capacities, and superior performance compared to previous generations. With a speed of 5600 MHz and a CAS latency of CL36, this DDR5 RAM ensures that your high-end CPU can access data quickly, making processing, rendering, and buffering tasks faster and more efficient. The SPD voltage of 1.1 V keeps power consumption low, enhancing stability and efficiency. Designed specifically for Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets, this memory is perfect for the latest generation of Intel CPUs. The unprecedented speed of DDR5 is a game-changer, particularly as modern CPUs feature more and more cores. This RAM ensures that your CPU's data hunger is satisfied, allowing you to multitask with ease and run demanding applications smoothly. One of the standout features of the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM is its onboard voltage regulation. This allows for easier, more finely tuned, and more stable overclocking compared to previous generations that relied on motherboard control. With the powerful CORSAIR ICU software, you can monitor real-time frequency readings, regulate onboard voltage, and customize XMP profiles to tailor performance to your specific needs. The custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles enable you to save your own profiles, optimizing performance for different applications or tasks for greater efficiency. The CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM not only enhances performance but also offers a sleek design with its black color, fitting seamlessly into any build aesthetic. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this memory kit is designed to meet your demands. The combination of high-speed performance, efficient power usage, and easy customization makes this DDR5 RAM an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system. In conclusion, the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM 32GB kit is a top-tier choice for those seeking to push their systems to new heights. Its advanced features and compatibility with the latest Intel platforms make it a future-proof investment. If you're ready to experience unparalleled performance and reliability, this DDR5 RAM is the perfect upgrade for your desktop. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.